Since the Industrial Revolution, railroads have been a legendary part of building America, fueling the economy and supporting thriving communities nationwide. Union Pacific and Norfolk Southern have a vision: America's first transcontinental railroad. This historic combination will create a faster, more efficient railroad, one that seamlessly connects the East and West Coast, 50,000 route miles across 43 states, linking 100 ports and reaching nearly every corner of North America. It positions railroads to continue accelerating new technologies, staying current with the current to move the freight industry forward and enhance competition. Imagine seamlessly hauling steel from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania to Colton, California, and moving tomato paste from Huron, California to Fremont, Ohio, moving lumber from the Pacific Northwest, plastics from the Gulf Coast, copper from Arizona and Utah, and soda ash from Wyoming. Right now, tens of thousands of railroaders are moving almost everything we use. Together, Union Pacific and Norfolk Southern will unleash the industrial strength of American manufacturing, transform the U.S. supply chain, create new sources of economic growth, and preserve union jobs. Rail is a cost-effective alternative to trucking, reducing congestion on our nation's highways, enhancing U.S. competitiveness, and bringing rail volumes and jobs back home. With a single coast-to-coast network, customers will benefit from faster transit times by eliminating interchanges where rail cars are handed off. Union Pacific and Norfolk Southern will create the safest and best freight transportation system in the world for our people, our customers, our shareholders, our communities, and our nation.